How to get gum from hair. Baking soda. Create a baking soda paste with the addition of some water with a baking soda inside a bowl. You'll want so that to get the paste together with your fingers and arrange it into the gum and affected hair. The baking soda will stiffen and neutralize the stickiness within the gum and helps it to be simpler to get rid of. Ice. Take a bit of ice and rub it around the gum, running it again and again the whole part of the gum. The ice will harden the gum and allow you to break in pieces, which could either solve the issue entirely, or maybe the problem is more prevalent, help you get off whenever possible. When the gum has hardened, that ought to take about 10 to 15 minutes of connection with the ice, it ought to be easy to discontinue bits of the gum and dump it. Oil. Wet your fingers well using the oil or pour some directly to the affected area. Work the oil into the gum and hair with the aim of coating the area. Allow the oil a couple of minutes to neutralize the stickiness. Lightly work the gum from the hair, once more using a comb or perhaps a toothbrush should you desire. Vaseline. Have a healthy glob together with your fingers and massage it into the gum. The gum should release while you work the Vaseline in it, and it ought to be easy to ease it making use of your fingers, a comb, or perhaps a toothbrush.